Hello, my name is Shweihninzy and this is my new closet in my new apartment, and as you can see I have a crap ton of clothes. 2020 is now here and well, I have been pretty lazy. It's a new year and I need to get myself in the right mind space. I need to declutter. I need some new things to look at. You guys, it is time to declutter my closet, declutter my life. I've already been doing some cleaning around my apartment and I have to say I'm feeling a lot better. Right, Luna? Right? You're being so chatty. So Luna and I are going to clean my closet, do some Marie Kondo style things. You want to get down? Oh. Dump everything out onto my bed. I've gone through my clothes, you know, just one by one, and I end up keeping a lot more things than I actually end up wearing, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'll have time to wear that, or oh, I'll find an occasion to wear that, but no, I don't actually do it. I need to just get everything on my bed and get rid of all the crap. It's time to start fresh. It's time to just start anew. I'm so excited to say that today's video is sponsored by Poshmark. I'm doing another collaboration with them. If you guys don't know what the app is about or what Poshmark does, then oh my gosh, you must live under a rock. 2020 is the year for you to know what Poshmark is. You can resell all of your clothing, home decor, a bunch of different things, and get money back for things that you don't even wear. So I'm going to show you guys how to set up a Poshmark real quick and follow my closet at Shweihninzy. You can also find amazing deals and shop from thousands of brands, such as Nike, Gymshark, a couple beauty brands as well. You can now sell new makeup on there, not used makeup, but new makeup, which I actually have in my closet as well. The home section just launched on Poshmark, so you can now list items such as bedding, stationery, accents, and more. Luxury brands available at affordable prices. Let me know if you guys end up buying anything for my closet. I would absolutely love if you did. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys like shopping on Poshmark as well. Reach out to me on Instagram as well if you guys end up getting anything or interested in anything. I'm going to be doing my clothes in a couple different ways. I'm going to be doing a donation pile, and then I'm going to be doing a Poshmark pile, so things that you know, are fairly new that I can actually get money for. And then sometimes I let my mom go through my things since she and I wear similar clothing sizes, so we'll see what I come up with, and hopefully I'll have some new style and feel revamped for the new year. So like I said, to start off, I'm just going to take all the clothes out of my closet, out of my drawers, and just dump it on my bed, and we'll see what I want to get rid of, I want to sell, all that kind of stuff. Oh, that was really hard. I'm falling. No! Alright, so here are all the clothes that I have, and I'm going to go ahead and get some baskets so I can divide all of these things in here. I kept some of the things in my closet that I knew I was definitely going to keep, and some of these things that I was going through, I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely going to wear that again. I wear these things all the time. And other things I was like, who am I kidding? I'm never going to wear that again, so let's get some baskets and I'll start organizing and going through everything. Alright, so I have everything organized. I'm going to put everything back into my closet. I have a huge bin of stuff that I'm going to be selling, which will be on my Poshmark, so definitely check that out. I'm going to show you guys how I list everything as well. Oh, and my cat is trying to get behind the bed. Luna! Get out of there. Missy? Come here, baby. I know what you were trying to do. She's like, no, Mom, I wasn't doing anything. I saw you. I have been getting rid of clothes since I did move, which was really, really great, but I kind of wanted to go through everything again, and I have more stuff in my parents' house, like summer stuff, which isn't here, that I still have to get, so unfortunately I'm not going to be decluttering any of that, but a lot of this is winter stuff that still can be worn right now since I live in Ohio. The temperature has been cold, hot, cold, it's been all over the place, so Yeah. Now I'm going to show you guys how to sell an item on the Poshmark app. So what you do is at the bottom of your closet, you hit sell, or at the bottom of the Poshmark app, you hit sell, and a little camera pops up. I don't really like the camera on the actual app, but just for the convenience, I went ahead and used their camera. You can use the camera on your phone or on your, like a physical camera. So once you take that picture, you can name the item. So this first item I'm showing you guys is a pink hoodie. I've only worn this a couple times. It's just too big for me. I got it oversized, thinking I would wear it a lot, but it's just like too oversized for me. It's a size large, practically new pink hoodie with a little bit of velvet on there. So what I'm doing is just categorizing what kind of item this is and just writing a description, letting you guys know what the hoodie is, like with that soft green color, a little bit of velvet in there as well. Like this hoodie is like seriously super cute and it is a little cropped as well. So like I said, it's a size large since I wanted it to be oversized. And then you go ahead and put what type of or what brand it is for the item, what color it is, and then you list the original price and all of that good stuff. It's super easy to sell on Poshmark, so check out my closet at TheShweihninzy. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys a couple of the items that I am going to be selling. So I have this up on my Poshmark like you guys saw in the app. This is a pink cropped hoodie. This is a size large and it's got this really pretty like cross stitch detailing on the side, and the velvet goes all the way around. It's just too big for me, and I think I've only worn this like a couple of times, so it's pretty new. So I've got this. Another item I have is from Forever 21. This is a size large like zipped pink fluffy jacket, and it does have pockets here, and it's super super cute. I've only worn this like twice, and I got it for an outfit and I just haven't worn it since. So this is super cute and it's very warm, like super warm to wear. I also have a pair of, I think these are American Eagle leggings if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so the airy leggings, these are so comfortable. The material is really soft. I just never wear them. So, and this is a size medium. They're super cute, but I just never wear them. And lastly, I have a pair of pink sweatpants. These are a size medium as well. They're a little bit high-waisted. They're super comfortable. I just don't have any use for them anymore, so definitely check these out and download the Poshmark app in the link in the description box. Everything will be listed on Poshmark, so definitely check it out. And thank you so much again to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. I also have another really cool project to show you guys, and I'm excited about that, so let's go ahead and do that. So here is my sink area. It's actually outside of the bathroom, which is a little bit odd. The only other place that I've seen be like this. And as you can see, it's like kind of this weird off-whitish looking fake marble idea, but I decided I want to make it nice and clean. I want everything to be white and just spotless. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this with contact paper, which I've seen so many DIYers do on YouTube, and I thought I would give it a try myself. I'm going to go ahead and take everything off, and I'll clean the surface just to make sure there's no like gross stuff on the kitchen or on the sink area, and yeah. so here is the finished sink area. I think it turned out looking really, really good. Oh, hello. Yes. This is Arlo. You might hear Arlo meowing a little bit. He's my new cat, and I'm in the process of getting him situated here before I have him meet Luna. But anyway, so here is what the sink looks like, and I think it turned out really, really nicely. I ended up needing 2 rolls of the waterproof contact paper. The first roll that I got was too small, so I definitely recommend getting the bigger one. I should have measured better, but the first roll came to about like this section here, and I needed that second roll, but the second roll was a lot bigger. So there's different sizes. The links to everything will be down below, so definitely check that out. But so far it hasn't come up or anything, and like I said, this one's waterproof, so it's really good for the sink area, and I might actually do it in the kitchen as well. I just think it makes everything just look so bright and clean. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my Poshmark down below. Now you can see him a little bit better. So this is Arlo. He's actually a Turkish van mix, which I didn't know about when I was adopting him. So Turkish vans have like the coloring only on their tail and their ears. And yeah, so he was born to a stray mom. So he's a mix of some kind, but he's definitely part Turkish van. He's very big. Oh, hello. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys do this DIY as well, and I hope you guys enjoy just seeing me, you know, do my closet and have everything up there as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Say bye, Arlo. Arlo. Say bye.